Hi everyone, welcome to an Audio Developer Conference 2024 workshop teaser. My name is Jan Wilczek. I'm the founder of the Wolfson blog and YouTube channel on audio programming. And today I am happy to introduce you to the leaders of the ADC workshop on GPU-powered neural audio processing, Alexander Prokopchuk and Alexander Sasha Talashov. So hi guys, could you introduce yourself to the audience?
Sure. Hello, everyone. I'm Sasha T. So please just call me Sasha because there are two Alexanders here today. I'm CEO of GPU Audio Company, the world's first who invented real-time audio processing. And together with my colleague, Alexander Prokopchuk, we will be giving you a workshop dedicated to the neural amp modeler porting to the GPU audio stack.
Awesome. And what about you, Alex?
Hi, everyone. I am Alexander Prokopchuk, CTO of the GPU Audio. I'm in the IT industry for a long time, but as music was always my, so to say, a hobby, finally those two things fused together, so now I'm working in Pro Audio as well.
Okay, awesome. So I think everyone is excited to know that you're going to lead this workshop exactly on GPU-powered neural audio at the upcoming Audio Developer Conference 2024. So could you please briefly explain what the workshop will be about?
Sure. So we are going to present a neural amp modeler open source project, the way we port this project on the hardware devices such as GPU, NVIDIA. The thing about the GPU neural implementations, it's not quite common. We know that we can use GPUs to train the models, but real-time inferencing is something that is not yet unlocked. And this comes for all kinds of the platforms, hardware, operating systems, and so on. At the GPU Audio, we offer a cross-platform unified way to port everything in C++ code, writing one piece of code. And we will be again using Neural Amp Modeler, which is a very famous open source project that utilizes deep learning techniques to replicate guitar amplifiers and pedals with state-of-the-art accuracy. So during the workshop, you will learn how to port and scale Neural Amp Modeler plugin, as well as you can extend it further with your own neural network model of any type. You can reuse our template-based project to re-implement your own neural network models, regardless of what it's made of, what kind of tensor operators, linear algebra operators, and so on, utilizing our GPU Audio stack. As a result, you can build your own plugin that can work with low latency, that you can run multiple times pretty much on any environment, whether it's MacBook Air or whether it's NVIDIA powered or AMD powered laptops, or this can be also deployed on any consumer embedded devices. Think of Neural DSP's Quad Cortex, but powered with graphics cards. You can use the same way of integration and target different environments easily.
Awesome. Alex, do you want to add something to it?
Yes, thank you, Sasha. So some more technical details about the workshop itself. So because the process of preparing your local environment for building the GPU code, and we are talking about, as Sasha mentioned, cross-platform GPU code for Mac, for NVIDIA, Windows, for AMD, is quite complex, and we wouldn't be able to set up the environment for everyone throughout the workshop itself. You'll work within a Jupyter environment, so in your browser, in Docker container, a remote Docker container, you will be able to build all the code, to run it, to get out some WAV files out of it, and to look at the code. And after the session, you'll gain access to the workshop code base and environment, allowing you to set it up on your own machine and continue experimenting with it with real-time low-latency audio processing on your own after the workshop. Whether you're working with NVIDIA, AMD, or M-Silicon platform, And this session serves as an exclusive sneak peek into our broader release of GPU-powered neural building blocks, unlocking the potential for real-time scalable low-latency audio processing, like never before, actually.
Okay, awesome. It definitely sounds very novel and very exciting. So I just wanted maybe to confirm that if you want to be an attendee of this workshop, you actually need to have with you just your laptop, right? Because everything will be done in the browser. Okay, and then you can postpone setting up the environment with the tools that you provide after the workshop.
Exactly.
Okay, great. And when you were designing the workshop, was there any target audience that you had in mind? Like, could you specify certain groups that this workshop is particularly for?
I can start with some prerequisites for audio developers, and then Alexander may extend it further to the particular hard skill set. So originally we wanted to introduce the way the neural networks can be ported on the C++ side, the way which is very similar to how you typically write your any GPU standardized code, let's say CUDA or OpenCL. So our call stack is not much different from any of those, and in fact it utilizes them underneath. So this is the way we provide you the same functionality in a unified way, and you can just choose the target that you want to build for. So if you're anyhow familiar with CUDA code, this is the minimal prerequisite. Like if you ever run anything CUDA, or if you're in general know the C++ 11 at least standard, and you know how to write like generic multi-thread application code, you can easily just make yourself and build everything using our workshop code and keynote. What's more important, if you know anything about machine learning and linear algebra and tensors, you would be able to alter our code project that we offer, and you can pre-build pretty much any neural network. So if you want to, I don't know, like build something different to neural amp modeler and build neural DSP or hot tone audio or anything like that runs guitar pedal amplifiers utilization, and you want to add some effects, etc., you would be able to do so using our template projects. And if you want to do something else, let's say implement your own product that utilize some classic DSP, and you want to introduce some chain-based processings like distortion, delays, and things that will come after the amplifier effect, you would be able to do so if you know this part of the hard skill, so to say. So it just depends on you, but in general, it's just C++ environment and some understanding how to run multi-threaded applications. Sasha, Alexander?
Yes, thank you. In my opinion, the thing is that here we are kind of touching multiple things at the same time. So linear algebra and machine learning, we are touching the GPU computation and computation on the GPU, and then we are touching the pro audio. Historically, those three things, they are very separate, so to say. So if you are proficient at least in one of them and you have interest in others, you are very welcome. We will try to break those artificial borders between those parts.
Okay, awesome. I think it sounds very encouraging, and yeah, I guess you don't assume that everyone is an expert in all three to be able to benefit from the workshop.
Of course, we are not expecting.
Okay, awesome. So thank you both for sharing information on your workshop. I'm definitely looking forward to seeing you at ADC 24. And to all the viewers, don't forget to check out the workshop run by GPU Audio. It's available both in person and online. So see you there. Thank you, guys.
Thank you. Likewise, and see you there. Cheers.